Now, what does a pressurized Centurion, a cabin class Malibu, a modern Cirrus, and a Baron have in common? They're all about to keep their fleets flying. Now, this week's arrival in the BAS Part Sales Disassembly hangar covers a wide swath of general aviation aircraft. A twin-engine business traveler, a composite high-performance single-engine aircraft, a pressurized Centurion, and the ever-classic cabin-class Malibu Mirage. Now, different missions, different histories, different reasons for being in the disassembly shop, but all four airplanes have a lot of work ahead. This week, let's start with the Beechcraft Baron 58. Now, this aircraft earned its reputation for being fast, dependable, and predictable. It's not flashy, it's just effective. This particular airplane shows up in the BAS hangar because it had a classic gear-up landing. Now it's being disassembled for parts and will keep the fleet alive. The part and component list from this aircraft is strong. The Continental IO 520 engine up front, the Cole Mill winglets, Avidyne and Aspen avionics. It has autopilot equipment that won't last long, and plenty of Baron-specific hardware headed straight to our inventory that can be easily purchased online to help you stay in the air. Next up this week is the Cirrus SR22T. Now, this is the airplane that changed the expectations for what modern personal aviation should be. Its composite body, its advanced avionics, the CAPS system, true cross-country capability. This general aviation aircraft changed the expectations in many, many ways, and now it's here in the BAS Part Sales Disassembly hangar because we're going to use all the parts to keep the SR22s in the air. This SR22 comes to us after a CAPS deployment. The mission might have changed, but the parts package did not get any less impressive. It's got Garmin Perspective avionics, and those will not last long. The TKS components, oxygen equipment, bearings or brakes, and a long list of SR22 specific systems that will support the Cirrus fleet all over the country. Now we have the Cessna P210N Pressurized Centurion. Now, Cessna took this aircraft and everything the owners liked about the 210, pressurized. Speed, high altitude capability, and real traveling utility made the 210 favorites for pilots who wanted serious cross-country performance from a single engine. This aircraft arrived after an emergency landing, and now its avionics, its pressurization systems, its landing gear components, the Flint tip tank equipment, and all the Centurion-specific hardware, surfaces, system components, interior components, and on will move back into circulation. And finally this week we have the Piper PA-46-350P Malibu Mirage. Now, this is the aircraft that brought cabin class comfort to the single engine general aviation market. This particular airplane made some impact with some hangars on the ground. Not exactly how Piper planned the end of the day, but now it's here so we can recover every usable part and component. But with Garmin TXI displays, GTN navigation, power pack spoilers, and a 4-blade MT propeller hub, plus a long list of cabin class systems, the parts from this Malibu Mirage remain significantly important to the fleet. If we can help you get back in the air, call us fast. BAS Part Sales disassembles airplanes with purpose. Our job is to recover every usable part and component, document it, take pictures of the actual part, give it a price, and list it on our website for sale where you can make a quick and confident decision that that part will help your airplane get back in the air. What you've seen in the shop today is a long list of parts and components that will go right back into the fleet all over the world and help aircraft owners, operators, and pilots enjoy the things they love to do and enjoy the work that they set out to accomplish. If BAS Part Sales can help you get back in the air, call us. We'd also like to take a moment and thank the Short Wing Pipers Club, who flew out to Greeley this week and enjoyed a tour of our shop. And it was very busy and they were everywhere and we had a lot of fun that day. Thanks to the Short Wing Pipers Club for joining us and taking a look at our operation here in Colorado.